Hi, I'm Chef Angela, and you're watching 5-Minute Meals. Today, I'm going to make some kebabs, some shark and plantain kebabs. I'm going to serve it with some turmeric rice. I'm going to add some Robert's soybean oil, some salt and pepper. I'm going to add a touch of our Bajan seasoning, some garlic, little bit of ginger, some MIS Chinese five spice, gives a different flavor, and a touch of paprika, MIS paprika. All right, bring all of them together. I'm going to cut my fish in some medallions, some cubes. This is nice fresh fish from ocean fisheries. So I'm going to make some kebabs, add some shark, add some pepper, some plantain, some red onions, another piece of shark, plantain again, sweet pepper, onion, top it off with shark again, plantain, and sweet pepper, and a little red onion. Place it in the marination that I've just made. I have my turmeric rice on the stove. I'm going to add some carrots to that, some tomatoes, a little bit of ginger, some red onions, and as well as some garlic spread, Robert's garlic spread. So add my red onions, my ginger, my carrots, a little bit of tomatoes, I'm going to add some chives as well, just for color. A little bit of garlic, won't hurt at all. Have my turmeric rice, and this is made from basmati. Some Robert's cooking oil. And it's time for me to grill the shark. It's almost ready. Gonna add a little touch of curry cream, Robert's curry cream. Okay, so here I have my turmeric rice. Well, as my shark. Of the Robert's curry cream. Natural juices. I'm Chef Angela, and you have been watching 5-Minute Meals.
I need a